Hi there. Do you like money? Do you know how to invest or travel for free? Well, if you're eager to learn and maybe even get some financial coaching, you're in the right place. I'm talking about the stock market, credit cards, credit score, banks, real estate, how to save money, how to be savvy and get free money. Yes, free money. My name's AJ Valenti, and there's not too many things I like to do more than optimize my finances. Yeah, call me boring, but you're the ones benefiting here. Yeah, I want to help people reach their financial goals and help you learn how you can make your life less stressful and more fulfilling. School doesn't assist people when it comes to finances, so I've taken it upon myself to help as many people as possible achieve your goals and take control of your life. So feel free, take a look around the website and you'll find the services that I offer. The main one being the financial coaching session. I obviously highly recommend it, especially if there's an offer for the first however many minutes free at the time at which you're watching this. It's the most individualized guidance I can give you, and that's obviously going to give you the best results. So also on the website, you'll find an email list you can join, testimonials, a blog, info about me, links to places where you can find the business as well as myself, and also some apps and whatnot that I use that I believe can help you as well. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope to be in touch with you soon if you would like to schedule a financial coaching session. And if not, I still hope you learn a lot from your time here and all the resources. Have a great day, and go get that financial freedom. Peace.